It's such a pretty candy. It makes the food taste tummy, but my dandy hurts all night.
I'll put in some of the rest, but keep ingredients for me. I'm not just see, I'm careful, can't you disobedient? It's a piece of baker cake, a pretty cake. If the way is booked, you gotta do the cooking by the daisy. You know you can't feel crazy. Never use a messy recipe. The cake will end up lazy. If you do the cooking by the cake, then you'll have a treat. We gotta have it cake. You know that I love Brooke. Finally, it's to make time the cake.
Making science is just like tools with food at an appliance then base. And every fun blend gives the taste, the different food.
It's a pretty cake.